This is the stride cycle visualization in Gait analysis using Deeplabcut Keypoint data. So we can see here different x and y values of all the four limb, left, right, hind and rear limbs of every frame based on the Deeplabcut output. We calculate speed of individual limb and corresponding distance between those limbs. For example, we calculate distance from a rear left paw to a rear right paw, and between rear left to hind left and hind right. So we have this observation. So we're gonna take this data and use hidden Markov model to estimate the state. So the estimated state gonna be the you know stride phase, whether it's swinging or it's instance, I mean it is holding on the ground. So based on this data, the algorithm predict a factor. Basically, this value represent a state of a stride. Zero means it's on the instance position. One means it's in the swing phase. So if we look at the frame, so on the right side we can see a RGB image. So on the bottom we can see the frame, it's a frame count. On the top side it's the stride phase. So on frame 40 we can see this cylinder, this one. So yeah, this is the 3D visualization of each paw. Those cylinder values in the cylinder got incremented for each positive stride. It means when the paw of rodent swing, it got incremented if its value is one. Yeah. So we can see in this moment paw, just the left paw begin to swing. So on frame 41 it moves from this position to this position, and the lane center become bigger, it got incremented by 1. So here we can see stride phase 1. So on frame 42 it's still moving, the paw is still moving, so we can see the balance and it's getting better, getting higher. On frame 45 it come to halt, the moment of pause come to halt, and this is the one stride cycle, one full stride cycle for left paw from this position to this position. So if we we can see. So if we start playing, so we can see different phase cycle of this rodent, and we can visualize the paw movement. This visualization tool is really, really useful to visualize the paw. So even if there is minor changes in the moment, we cannot see with our eyes, because it's difficult to find pixel changes. But with this visualization tool, it's really useful to find the moment and to get analysis.